Ooh. Oh, wow, that just amplifies it. That just makes it, oh, I'm outside in the forest right now. Hello, spiritual storytellers. Welcome to my channel. My name is Maria, and I'm a storytelling coach and the author of Closer to Indigo. I coach spiritual storytellers to heal their past or create a brighter future using the magic of storytelling, crystals, and essential oils. And thanks so much for watching and subscribing and sharing and liking. I'm just going to dive right in today. So I just received this package from doTERRA, and I wanted to do another unboxing video for you. Yeah, so I placed this order as part of their BOGO sale, buy one, get one. Yeah, so let's see what's inside. It really only took a couple of days to ship, so that's pretty exciting. And yeah, so what do we have here? I got some Supermint toothpaste. You're wondering, well, this is essential oils, Maria. Why toothpaste? Actually, they have been using essential oils in toothpaste formulations for since the beginning. So they actually work hand in hand. And I was looking for a toothpaste that didn't have any fluoride in it because I heard that fluoride, although it's good to prevent cavities, it also locks up your pineal gland, and so it hardens it. So it makes it like it's not so useful. And I'm on a spiritual journey, and I am hoping to decalcify my pineal gland. And so I've decided to switch toothpaste. So this is the one I'm trying. So I'll let you know how it goes. So that's one thing. And then I have this. I'm just going to open this up. And I've got two essential oils in here. Oh, so this is the first one. So this is Vetiver. Yeah, and it's in the touch formulation, which means it's a roller ball. And the second one is Cedarwood. I like the woodsy scents, and there are plenty of cedars growing around here on Vancouver Island. And so I was hoping to have cedar, and cedar helps with relaxation and helping you feel grounded, and it's really good for sleep. And I wanted to have something as a companion to my book, Closer to Indigo. It might be a really good compliment if you're reading Closer to Indigo. You might like to have some cedar essential oil next to you. So that would be cool. So I'm going to open the cedar wood. Might as well open that one first. Yeah. So let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, you can really smell the trees, then the forest. Oh, nice. Yeah. Oh, I love it. Oh, I'm going to put this in a diffuser. I'm really a big fan of walking in nature. I love walking through a forest, especially after it rains or while it's kind of misty rain, because you could really, really sense and smell the aromas from all the trees and the plants and the soil. So yeah, oh, it's very strong. Like it's very woodsy. Makes me think of like a really, really dark green, almost black color. You know, that really nighttime forest color of green. That's really related to the heart chakra because the heart chakra is all about the color green. So when you're talking about like a really, really deep forest green, you're doing some really deep work with your heart chakra. Really deep stuff. Yeah, yeah. That could do some real deep healing at the cellular level if you're interested. Yeah, so I'm just going to put a little bit in my hand just to see. Yeah. Oh, nice. Ooh. Oh, wow. That just amplifies it. That just makes it. Oh, I'm outside in the forest right now. Yeah. Oh, wonderful. Oh, I really love that. That's just so calming and grounding, and it just takes you outdoors. And if you're like trapped in a high-rise building in the big city and you just want to like wait for the weekend where you can go out to the lake or the cottage or just out of town, then you can at least get some cedarwood essential oil and just stay in place and just relax and just let the aroma just sort of comfort you. Yeah. Yeah, really nice. Well, I'm so happy I got this one. So this is vetiver, and so this is also really earthy, grounding. I'm looking for just get myself sort of feeling centered, feet flat on the ground, just feeling like connected to earth, feeling secure and safe. So those were why I chose these. And the touch formulations, you can just apply them just directly to your skin, really easy. And they have a fractionated coconut oil. Oh, they're similar. They're similar, but this one's slightly sweeter. Slightly, it's also very earthy, very foresty in a way, but it's more like the soil, how the tree sort of roots itself in the soil. And it's like all the cushy soil around it, the leaves and so forth, and the mushrooms maybe, and some squirrels. I saw some squirrels chasing each other yesterday on my walk, and it was so cute. I actually laughed out loud. It was so sweet. And they're like, oh. So yeah, so see, this got the roller ball in it. And so you can just apply it right to your skin. Oh, that takes on a whole new aroma. That really like it makes it a little bit more perfumey. Yeah. Oh, wow. It takes on like a almost a sourness to it. Wow, that's so cool. Vetiver has been used in perfumery for like ever, and it's a really good base note for perfumes. And so perfumes, the way they're designed is they have usually a base note, a middle note, and a top note. And so they all sort of blend together, and the base note just kind of like tree roots holds everything down. It keeps it ground level, it anchors, it pulls. And then the middle note is kind of like the main show. That's what you mostly get. So that's more like the tree trunk. And then the top note are like they evaporate the fastest. So they're like the first sort of sensation that you get, and then it sort of gets deeper into the middle note and the bass note. So they're the least stable. And it's more like the canopy, the top part of the tree with the leaves and the blossoms and the fruit. So that's kind of like the analogy. So when you've got like these two essential oils, see what happens is you can tell a story. And I just told a story about forest, and I also talked about the squirrels. And that's the beauty of essential oils, is that you can use them as part of your creativity. Yeah. So if you are a spiritual storyteller and you would like to tell your stories, but maybe you're feeling a little stuck, or maybe you're just like not sure how to fix your chapter or how to move forward or how to put the plot forward or to bring in a new character or whatever. If you're wrestling with anything like that, you're welcome to contact me and I can help you out. We can do a lightning round session and we can do brainstorming. And we can bring in essential oils into there. We can also do like just a regular consult about like what you want to do. Or do you want to write a story? Do you want to publish? What's your plan? So, as a spiritual storyteller, you have all these things available to you to inspire you, and I'm here to help. Yeah, and essential oils are like a brilliant, brilliant way to help you connect better with your writing, with your creativity, with your characters, with your stories. It's endless. And if you want these essential oils, let me know. I can hook you up, and I'm going to definitely put the cedarwood in a diffuser tonight and help me with my meditating and use maybe some of the vetiver in some perfume blends or something. Oh, I don't know. So I'll keep you posted. So I hope you enjoyed this video and please make sure to like and subscribe and share, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.